we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no
was a nice little campground for an overnight stop. There's about 16 sites on one small loop, nice little pond, clean bathhouses. It is a Passport America park and is only $12.50 per night if you are a member. The bad thing is that on the other side of that little pond is a main road, so you do get a lot of road noise.
Let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.